Hi, Chris Saunders here, Integrated Communications, creators of the ELD in a Box. And today I want to talk with you about MDM, Mobile Device Management Software. What is it? What does it do? What is the benefit to you? So, you heard me say lockdown. Most people refer to MDM software as lockdown software because, yes, one of the things that it does is locks your devices down so the driver only has access to certain applications. Let me give you an example here. You see this tablet here? All right. There are, 8 or so applications on here. You know how you get your new cell phone from the cell phone store or a tablet and there's 25 different applications on there, right? Well, a lot of those applications can gobble up your data plan. A lot of those applications can be distracting. So what MDM software does is it locks out applications that you don't want the driver to see or use. But what it can also do is enable you to put applications on the home screen that you want the driver to use. Now, management, mobile device management. The real reason why people should be using MDM software is the management of the device. And what I mean by that is the ability to do things like upgrades to mobile applications. If you're running an ELD application and the FMCSA writes a new rule change in the hours of service, the ELD provider's got to write that into their application and release a new version of it. And the MDM software allows you to push that version, that newer version of the application, right out to the tablets. Doesn't even bother the driver. It updates, the driver keeps on moving. Now, the updates are probably the biggest benefit to mobile device management software because it's inevitable. It happens all the time, whether there's a new feature, whether there's a problem with the software, whether there's a new rule set change. An update for sure is coming, and the only way to stay compliant is to keep those applications updated. And MDM software allows you to do it. The other thing that you can do with MDM is with some, you can remote control the tablet. With others, you can at least see what the driver sees, so you can coach the driver through how to click through menus and things of that nature. So MDM software is very important because when you have 500 trucks or 50 trucks or 100 trucks and they're scattered all over the country and there's got to be a critical update done, the only real way to do that without causing mass hysteria and chaos is MDM software. And we would love to help you learn even more about how mobile device management or MDM software can benefit you. Thank you for watching.